Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 6.1 question number 1. What will be the units digit of the squares of the following numbers? Here you see that we know a relation that we know that if a number we know we know that we know that if a number if a number if a number we know that if a number we know that if a number has its has if a number has if a number has its units place digit has has its units place digit units place units place units place digit as a digit digit as a digit as a then its square then its squares then its square will end squares will end with the unit digit end with the unit digit with the unit digit unit digit of the multiplication unit digit of the multiplication 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 that is a into a, right? Let's solve with this question. What will the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? Right? Number 1. The number is 81. You have to know that we know that if a number has its units place digit as a, suppose 1, then its squares will end with the unit digit of the multiplication a into a. Suppose this one. In unit place it is 1. And if we multiply 1 square, 1 square, that is equal to 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the unit digit will be 1. Therefore, if we find the square of this number, then the unit digit will be, then the unit digit will be 1. Now, question number 2. The number is 272. Here you see, it is 272. Unit digit is 2, right? If the squares of these numbers, that is 22, that is 2 into 2 or 2 square, we can write also as 2 square, that is 2 square, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, right? Then the unit digit will be 4, right? Then the unit digit then the unit digit will be 4. Then the unit digit will be 4. Will be 4. Question number 3. 799. 799. Unit digit is 9. There is 9 square, and we are getting 9 into 9. 9 into 9, that is 81. 81. This is unit digit, right? Therefore, the unit digit will be obviously 1. Therefore, then the unit digit will be 1. Then the unit digit, then the unit digit will be 1. Digit will be 1. Question number 4. 3853. 3853. Unit place is 3. That is, if we find 3 square, 3 square, that is 3 into 3. 3 into 3, that is 9, right? Then the unit digit will be 9. Then the unit digit, will be 9. Unit digit will be 9. Will be 9. Now 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is here. You see is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the unit place it is 4. Find 4 square. 4 square. That is 4 into 4. 4 into 4. That is 4 into 4. That is equal to 16. Unit place is 6. Then the unit digit will be 6. Then the unit digit will be 6. The unit digit will be 6. Then the unit digit will be 6. Unit digit will be 6. Will be 6. Now solve question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is question number 6. The number is 2, 6, 3, 8, 7. Unit place is 7, right? We find the square. That is 7 square. That is equal to 7 into 7. And that is equal to 49. 49. Unit place is 9. Then the unit digit will be 9. Unit digit, and the unit digit will be 9. Will be 9. Now question number 7. 5, 6, 7. Question number 7 is 5, 2. 5, 2, 6, 9, 8. That is 5, 2, 6, 9, 8. The unit digit is 8. Find 8 square. That is equal to 8 into 8. That is equal to 64. 64. Then the unit digit will be 4. Then the unit digit will be 4. Digit will be 4. It will be 4. Right? Now question number 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Question number 8 is given as 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 8 0 unit place it is 0. Again we are getting 0, that is 0 square, that is equal to 0 into 0, 0, that is 0. Then we can say that the unit digit of this cost will be 0. Then the unit digit, then the unit digit will be 0. Unit digit will be 0. Unit digit will be 0. Question number 9. 9 is 1 2 1 2 7 9 6, right? The unit digit is 6. You get a square, that is 6 square, that is 6 into 6, 36, 6 into 6, that is 36. The unit digit is 6, then the unit digit will be 6. Then the unit digit, then the unit digit will be 6. Unit digit will be 6, will be 6. 10, the number is 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. The unit digit is 5. Make a square of 5. It is 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 into 5. That comes to 25. 25. The unit place is 5. Then the unit digit will be 5. Then the unit digit, then the unit digit is equal to 5. Digit. Then the unit digit will be 5. Will be 5. Right? That means you have to square the last digit, unit digits. Right? You will square it. And after the squaring, you get the number. Then the digit in the unit place will be the unit digit of the squares of these numbers. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.